This is what we're working with your iPad, a portal to a world of content. Today, we're bridging the gap, mirroring your iPad to your TV for a larger-than-life experience. First, identify your TV. Smart TVs usually offer built-in screen mirroring. Non-smart TVs need a bit of help, usually through a streaming device like Apple TV, Chromecast, or Fire TV. If you have a smart TV, use the remote to find the screen mirroring, AirPlay, or similar input. The exact name varies between brands, but it usually involves selecting an input. Grab your iPad and swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. For older iPads, swipe up from the bottom. Tap that screen mirroring icon to see available devices. Select your TV's name from the list. You might need to enter a passcode displayed on your TV the first time. Awesome! Your iPad screen should now be displayed on your TV. Sit back and enjoy your games, videos, and presentations on the big screen. To disconnect, just tap the screen mirroring icon again. Enjoy mirroring.